What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to another episode of Ballroom with Alexey. My name is Alexey and I'm here to help you practice your ballroom dancing at home. On this episode, we're going to break down cha-cha lockstep backward. So without any further ado, let's just jump right into the exercise. Alright guys, so now let's start with a quick demonstration. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright guys, so now let's look closer into this lockstep backward and let's try to notice how we're going to use same actions which we used into our lockstep forward, but they're going to be reversed, right? So we're going to start with the first cha and we're going to shoot our free foot back. And cha. Awesome, one more time, cha. So now notice how I'm using my twisting action and pendulum action right away here on the first cha. Yes, so instead of keeping everything in the same line, I am opening my hip, that's a twisting, yes, and as well, I am moving my hip back over the back foot, that's the pendulum, and cha, and cha, and cha, same thing from the different foot, cha, and cha, and cha. Okay, so now let's look at the second cha, our actual lockstep. Cha. So on the lockstep, I want you to create two tracks. Yes, so you're crossing with your front foot in front. Yes, not on the same track, but creating separate track. So then you softening both of your knees. Yes, you're not going too low, just slightly soften. Then your front heel is staying on the floor. Yes, let's look at that one more time. And cha, cha, heel on the floor. And the back heel is turned in, right? So make sure that it's not out, but in. Okay, one more time. Twist and pendulum, lock, two tracks, soft knees, heel on the floor, other heel in. All right, so now from this position, we're going to make a step back and it's going to be count 1. 1, yes? So on count 1, we're just making regular step back when we right away loading our hip back using the pendulum action. And 1, and 1. All right, so now let's do all of those actions from the different side. So we're starting with the first cha, and we're doing cha. Now second cha is the lock step. Yes, hip up. Now we're collecting our feet, softening knees, creating two tracks, back heel in, front heel on the floor. Now, last part is the count 1 cha-cha. 1 step back with the settling of your hip. 1. All right, so if we're going to continue moving back, we're going to do collect and twist action by shooting our free foot back. Yes, and then we repeat same actions. Cha, sh, cha. Okay, awesome. So now let's try just the locking action, and I want you to pay attention to one more thing, and it's going to be your upper body. So very common mistake when we're doing our lockstep back is the dropping our spine backward, right? So we kind of feel that, oh, we're moving back, so we have to lead with the spine. But instead of doing that, try to pay attention to keeping your spine over the front foot, yes, over the foot which is in front. So cha, cha, cha. Even though your hip is settled, you still more forward. Cha, cha, cha. And again, and cha, 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 cha. You see, I'm more in front. Don't lean back. Okay, one more time. Cha, 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 cha. All right, so now let's summarize everything and let's do all of these actions simultaneously. 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 Look at that. That's perfect. I can say this word now. Simultaneously. I don't want to stop. Simultaneously. Ready, go, and cha. Twist in action. Loading of your hip back. Cha. Bending your knees. Neutral position in your hips. Heel down. Heel in on your back foot. Cha. Settle the hip. Body weight forward. And now we collect. Shooting free foot. Twisting, pendulum, cha, cha, and cha, cha, cha. And one more time from this perspective, cha, 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 cha. By the way, pay attention to your leading sides. That's a good point. So when we're twisting our sides, we're lifting our hip up. Yes, we're contracting this side because of this twist, because of the pendulum action. And we emphasizing the leading side, which is opposite, right? So, and throughout the lockstep, we're going to keep the same leading side and the same contracted side. But as soon as we changing sides, we're changing the leading side. Yes, as soon as we're twisting, we're emphasizing other side. And we're making sure that we maintain in same position. Again, and cha, 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 cha. Yay! Alright guys, so I do understand it's a lot of things to pay attention at the same time, but please stay patient, be focused, and repeat it over and over and over again. The only way to gain the skill is through repetition. So be focused, patient, and gradually speed it up. Yes, don't do it fast right away. So take your time, okay? So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was helpful, please press like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next tutorial next Thursday. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.